To remove and replace the battery on your Indian Sport Chief, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat level surface and ensure the bike is powered off. Lift the rear of the seat and pull upwards to disengage the seat grommet. Next, remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing. Position the cable well clear of the terminal. Reinstalling the fastener into the battery post will help prevent misplacement. Next, disconnect both connectors in the upper battery tray and release the harness from the upper battery tray retainers. Then, disconnect the rubber strap securing the upper battery tray and lift the rear of the tray upward and pull it toward the rear to remove. Then disconnect the positive battery cable and remove the cable from the terminal. Position the cable well clear of the terminal. Next, remove the fastener securing the battery bracket. Now remove the battery strap by moving the front of the strap forward out of the retention feature of the battery box. Then lift the battery from the battery box. To install the battery, start by inspecting the battery box and cover for damage. Be sure pads are in good condition and properly located. Next, make sure cable ends and battery terminals are clean. Then, carefully position the battery into the battery box with both terminals toward the rear of the bike. Next, make sure the positive cable is routed horizontally and parallel to the short side of the battery. Connect the positive cable to the positive battery terminal. Torque to specification. Now check the positive cable to ensure it is not pinched or wedged between the frame and the battery tray. Next, insert the battery bracket into the battery box retention slot and slide the strap towards the rear of the bike. Then install the battery bracket fastener through the battery bracket. Torque to specification. Then engage the two front mounting points on the upper battery tray and reinstall the rubber strap to secure. Continue by reconnecting the two connectors to the upper battery tray and securing their harnesses. Then secure the cover with the cover strap. Next, reinstall the negative cable and torque to specification. Then, apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the negative terminal. Also verify the negative cable is secure and properly routed. Before continuing, turn the bike on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Finally, reinstall the seat by inserting the front mounting tabs into the frame and aligning the mounting hole. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.